In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and use shapes in Microsoft Word. This is a fantastic feature for enhancing your documents with visual elements, making them not only more visually appealing, but also more informative. Whether you're creating a flyer, a report, or even a personal project, learning how to effectively use shapes can significantly improve your document's layout and design. Let's start by opening the Microsoft Word file you want to work on. Simply locate the file on your computer or use Word's Recent Documents feature if it's something you've been working on recently. Once your document is open and you're ready to begin, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll find the menu bar. The next step is to click on the Insert tab on the menu bar. This is where Microsoft Word gathers all the possible elements you can add to your document, from pictures and charts to equations and, of course, shapes. Clicking Insert will open up a whole new set of options right below the menu bar. Now your focus should be on the Shapes button, which you'll find within the Insert tab as you move through the different options. Click on Shapes. What you'll see next is a drop-down menu offering a variety of shapes to choose from. There are basic shapes like rectangles and circles, arrows for directing attention, and more complex options like flowchart symbols for those who are looking to create detailed diagrams. Once you select a shape, your cursor will change to a crosshair, signaling that you're ready to place your chosen shape into the document. Click and drag on your document to draw the shape to your desired size. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can always resize and reposition it later. Just click the shape and use the handles around its edges to adjust it to your liking. After you've inserted the shape, there are additional ways to personalize it. With the shape selected, take a look at the Format tab that appears. Here, you can change the shape's color, add effects like shadows, and even alter the outline to better fit the style of your document. Experiment with these options until you achieve the look and feel you want. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a shape into your Microsoft Word document. These steps might seem simple, but they can open up a realm of possibilities for your document designs. So have fun exploring the different shapes and customization options available to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Until next time, keep creating.